If your garden isn't thriving despite your best efforts, the issue may not be your plants, it's your soil. Over time, garden soil can become depleted, losing essential nutrients and beneficial organisms that keep plants healthy. But here's the good news: dead soil can be revived. With the right approach, you can restore life to your soil, making it rich, fertile, and ready to support thriving plants. Healthy soil is alive with beneficial bacteria, fungi, and earthworms all working together to break down organic matter and improve soil structure. If your soil has been depleted by chemical treatments or overuse, reintroducing microbes is crucial. Compost tea, mycorrhizal fungi, and worm castings can boost microbial populations, helping soil regain its ability to support plant growth. Dead soil often lacks essential nutrients. A soil test will tell you what's missing, allowing you to add the right amendments. If nitrogen is low, add blood meal or alfalfa meal. If phosphorus is deficient, bone meal or rock phosphate can help. Kelp meal and green sand supply trace minerals that improve overall soil health. Choosing organic, slow-release amendments ensures a steady nutrient supply without overwhelming the soil. Compacted soil restricts root growth, preventing plants from absorbing water and nutrients effectively. Loosen compacted soil by aerating with a broad fork or garden fork, being careful not to disturb beneficial microbes too much. Avoid excessive tilling, which can disrupt soil structure and lead to further compaction. Adding mulch and organic matter will naturally improve soil aeration over time. Dead soil either drains too quickly or holds too much water, creating an inhospitable environment for plants. If your soil is too sandy, mix in organic matter to improve moisture retention. If it's heavy clay, add perlite, sand, or compost to enhance drainage. Mulching with straw, leaves, or wood chips will help regulate soil moisture, reducing the need for constant watering. Cover crops like clover, rye, and vetch play a vital role in soil restoration. These plants add organic matter, fix nitrogen in the soil, and prevent erosion. Once grown, they can be cut and left as green mulch or tilled lightly into the soil to boost fertility. Cover cropping is a long-term strategy for maintaining soil health and preventing future degradation. Prevention is key to maintaining healthy soil. Avoid synthetic fertilizers that deplete organic matter and harm beneficial microbes. Rotate crops to prevent nutrient depletion and soil-borne diseases. Minimize soil disturbance by practicing no-till or low-till gardening. Keep soil covered with mulch or cover crops year-round to protect it from erosion and temperature fluctuations. By making these practices part of your routine, your soil will stay healthy and productive for years to come. Bringing dead soil back to life is completely achievable with patience and the right techniques. By focusing on organic matter, microbial life, proper aeration, and balanced nutrients, you can transform lifeless dirt into a thriving, nutrient-rich foundation for your plants. Healthy soil is the heart of a successful garden, and with consistent care, your garden will reward you with lush, vibrant growth. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe to Hydro Haven for more expert gardening tips. Share this with fellow gardeners so we can all work toward healthier, more productive gardens together.